Exercise 10, question number 1. So we have to draw these angles. A is minus 80, B is 100, C is 200, D is 165, uh, E is minus 145. We'll start with this 4. And when you look at the symbol, you can see this is negative, the sign, this is positive. Negative mean you know which direction you need to take. Negative mean it's going to be clockwise. If it is positive, it's going to be anti-clockwise. So this is the guidance. So 8 minus 80 mean so you start, this is the starting point, and this is the angle size 80. When you measure this one from here to here, so it is minus 80. So this is the direction clockwise. So likewise, this is A, B, 100. So we know that this is our, this is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise measuring. So up to here 90, and somewhere we are going to end up. So this is going to be 100 positive. Usually we don't write positive 100, and C 200. So the direction is this one, anti-clockwise. When you come to here 180, another 20. So that make 200. So this is actually 20. So 100 mean 90 plus 10. Next one is minus 140. So we know the direction now. Up to here 90, up to here 180. So it should be in here. It means 90 plus this is 55. So we're measuring from here. So this is minus 145. So F is 225. So we know it is positive. Go into this direction. We'll start. So up to here 90, 180, 270. It means somewhere here. So 180, then other 45. This is 45. So the angle is this one. So 225. Then G 280. So this is the direction. 90, 180, 270, another 10. This has to be 10. Right? This is 280. So this is in third quadrant. This is in fourth quadrant. $330. So 90, 180, 270. 330 is more than 270 but less than 360. Somewhere here. So 270 and other 60. So this angle is 330. Minus 160. So direction is this one, minus. So start from here. It is less than 180. So 90. 90 plus 70. So this has to be 70. So this is minus 160. 80. Then make sure that you write x and y axis, and last one G minus 280. So if you start here 90, 180, 270, 280 somewhere here, this is 10. So this is minus 208. It is in first quadrant. This is in third quadrant. Exercise 10, question number 2. State the quadrant that OP lies in when the angle that OP makes with the positive x-axis. Right. So the first one is 400. So we know when it goes 90, 180, 36, 270, 360, and other 40. So this is 40. So this is the direction because anti-clockwise positive. The other one is 115. So this is in first quadrant. First quadrant. Question number B. 115. It means we are taking this direction. So up to here 90, and this is 180. So this is less than 180 somewhere here. So this is going to be 25. So it is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. This is 115, and this is y and x. And part C, minus 210. We know that this is going to be clockwise. This is x and this is y. You start here 90, 180, and other 30. We make 210. So this is minus 210. So it is in second quadrant. D. What is the value? 255. So it is starting with anti-clockwise 90, 180, and not 270, somewhere here. So this angle is 75. So this is the angle 255. So this is in third quadrant. And last one is E, minus 100. Minus 100. So we are going clockwise, and 90 and another 10. So this is minus 100, and so hypotenuse lies on the third quadrant. Question number 3, exercise 10A. Without using calculator, write down the values of following. I think you can remember we discussed this one. So this is the triangle. I write OAB. Now this is 90 degrees. This is hypotenuse. This is opposite, and this is adjacent with this angle. When you come and stand up here and look in this direction, this is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. So what will happen when you expand this angle? You are making alpha bigger. So what can you see about this hypotenuse? It is become bigger, and will sine ratio. Sine alpha ratio is what? From here, AB over OA. Right, now let's see what will happen to AB over OA at 90. So this will become bigger and this will become more bigger, and what will happen, this is bigger and it is overlap in this point, it is overlap with hypotenuse. It mean overlap with opposite is overlap with hypotenuse, mean that two distance AB distance and OA distance become same at when alpha is 90. Right, when alpha is 90, it means sine alpha mean AB divided by, instead of OA, now again write what? AB, because they are same, right? 90. So this is cancel out, answer is 1. So sine 90 is 1. Now what is sine 450? Now this is 90, then this is moving like this, 80, then it's come here and 270, and it's here 360. It complete a circle. And again start 360 and 450 mean 360 plus 90. So it make 450. This circle, whole circle is the whole circle can be disregarded because you are going to start the same journey. So only value is from here to here. So basically, in this kind of situation, you want to take 400 minus 360 out. So answer is what? 90. So sine 450 equal sine 90 equal 1, because when it's when 90, or when you go total one circle from here and when you come again, it's still 90. It's still the same place, not 90, it's still the same place. So it means if you go 2 rounds and come again, still the same place, you can reduce that 2 rounds. Now from the previous discussion, when the angle is 0, sine I think, yeah, sine 0 is 0. You can remember, otherwise you can go back and see the previous discussion. Cos 0 is 1. So tan 0 is 0. Then we'll jump to here 90. Sine 90 is, we just discussed now, 1. Cos 90 is what will happen, this length becomes 0. 0, and tan 90 is infinity. So this is a asymptote in other way. So then 180. Sine 180 is, can you remember what will happen to hypotenuse? Opposite here, when it's come to here, 0. Sine 180 is 0. Cos 180 is minus 1 because of the direction. Then tan 180 is 0. Then we'll jump to here. Sine 270 now. Sine 270 is minus 1. At 90, both opposite is over, opposite and hypotenuse overlap, but positive. In 270, both hypotenuse and opposite overlap, but negative, the opposite. So sine 270 is minus 1. Cos 270 is 0. You can see that distance become 0. And tan 270 is infinity again. Now again 360. Also we can refer as 0. So it should be exactly matched with this one. So sine 0 or sine 360 equal 0. Cos 360 equal 1. Tan 360 equal 0 again. Same quality. And okay, this up to 360. Then I will add other 90. It means 360 plus 90, 450. So sine 450 also 1. Cos 450 0. Tan 450 is infinity. Likewise, now 360, 450 and another 90. So 450 plus 90, 540. So you go a one total one round and you are coming again. Now angle is 540. So sine, but still in 180 location. So sine 540 also 0. Cos 540 is minus 1. Tan 540 is 0. Likewise, now when you come to here again, so 540 plus 90 again, 630. So the 6, again it is in the 270 position, but the angle is 630. Still the same quality. So this is going to be sine 630 has minus 1, cos 630 has 0, and tan 630 has infinity. Then what will happen? Again, now two circles. It means 7, another 90 or 360 times twice, 720. It means it has again in the, when you go two round, it is in the 0 position. It means sine 720 equal 0. Sine cos 720 equal 1. Tan 720 equal 0. So now first question is sine 90. Sine minus 90. What is sine 90? This one. Sorry, not sine 90, that is 90 degrees. Minus 90. So minus 90 can you tell indifferently, positively? You can tell instead of minus 90 mean. So hypotenuse is here now. In terms of positive 270. So minus 90 and positive 270 will explain the same position. So instead of you are looking for sine minus 90, you can look at sine 270 positively. So what is sine 270 value? Sine 270 value is minus 1. And the second question, uh, sine 450, right? So this is more than 360. It is not. I can take this one out. You can look at like this as well. Okay. Well, start from here, and this is 360, and you end up here. So finally, you can work like this. Okay? 90 equal you can work like this. So it's still in simply 90 place. Sine 450 mean which place? Sine 90 place. How do I get 990? I simply reduce this one 360. So this is going to be 90. Instead of you are going for sine 450, sine 90. So sine 90 is 1. So the answer is 1. Basically, when you see that more than 360, so simply you take out 360 out. So that is 90. Sine 450 equal sine 90, which is 1. Question C, sine 540. Sine 540. I know more than 360. I take it out 360. So answer is 180. Instead of find sine 540, you can look at sine 180. Sine 180 mean, right? So this angle you are bringing up to here, and then you can find sine 980. We work out somewhere. So it is 0. D is sine minus 450. Okay, before consider, we'll see where is 450. So 450 is, we are going this direction, 190. So this is 360, and then 450 is here. Now we found out the hypotenuse position. It is here. Now I can forget about this one. Then I can come from positively. So this is this direction, clockwise. Now I'm coming anti-clockwise positively. What is this angle? 270. Instead of you are looking for minus 450, the same one is 270. So sine 150 mean what? Sine 270. Because minus 450 location or plus 270 location both same. Then this is sine 270 is minus 1. You can do this without drawing also. So I want to make this one to positive. To make this one to positive, I am adding 360s. So minus 460 at 360. Right. So then this is going to be minus 90. Still negative. Add another 360. So this is going to be minus 9. 360 mean you have to reduce 360 from 90. So answer is 270. Instead of doing this, now you will sense that 360 is not enough. Then 360 is not enough. Go one more round. 720. So 450 plus 720. So this will make 270. So now instead of minus 400, now replace it 270. So you can come that way as G is cos 270. In the discussion we found out these things is 0. Other question is cos 810. First of all, before cos, we'll look at where 800 lies. It means to start from here, 360, 720. So up to here, 2 rounds, 720. This is 90. So another 90. So this whole 200 round we can disregard, and only 90 is the worth amount. So now we'll write sine 180, 800, sine 810 is equal to what? Sine 90, which is 1. When you see, you don't need to do this one. 810, you know that if you take 360, still greater than 360. So I'll take 720 out. 2 rounds out 720. So this will make 90. So just sine 810 is same as sine 90. And tan 360. We know that this is also equal to 0. Start from here and you after 360 still in the same place. 0 and 360 both same. Tan 360 equal tan 0 equal, we work out 0. Tan minus 180. Let's forget about tan part. First of all, find where is 180. So which direction you are measuring from here, clockwise. 90. So this is the hypotenuse. This is y and x. Okay. You can come positively if you want. If you come positively, positive 180. So this is negative 180. But it's still in the, we're talking about the same position. So then instead of you are talking minus 180, if you talk positive 180, it's still the same. In that case, sine minus 180 equal sine 180, which is 0. In the graph also same. 90, 180. See, we will start here and now the value is 0. Or when you see minus 180, simply add 360. So what is the answer? Positive 360. Sorry, positive 180. So sine minus 180 means sine 180, both same. The same location if you come from here or if you come from here. The same place. Question number 4 we'll discuss after discussion.